Hey there, I'm Lucas, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the main features you'll be able to count on once you've joined AnyBiz. Your outreach will operate on a totally different level. You now have access to a platform designed to combine precision, scale, and strategy, so your business can grow with clarity and confidence. Now let's start. So what AnyBiz does is basically unify the whole outreach process so that instead of switching between disconnected tools, everything is orchestrated right here. As you can see, every aspect of your outreach can be easily seen through this dashboard, which will show you the main activities and results you have so far. The platform itself will identify and verify the right prospects for you, ensuring your communications will actually get to the inbox, and that you connect with decision makers across email, LinkedIn, and even phone, all as a single seamless workflow. To give you the idea, you can see here, for example, the activities you have with email, all your channels in this simple dashboard right here, and get some in-depth details of what your agent is actually doing after you already trained him. The next step is shaping your offering. For most businesses, this is where outreach begins to slow down. Crafting templates, writing scripts, second-guessing the message, it often takes much more time than actual conversations. Now with AnyBiz, it can be solved in seconds, literally. Our AI creates messages that carry the quality of a professional cold call pitch. It's direct, persuasive, and natural, and each one feels tailored to your audience, designed not just to reach them, but to move them toward a response. Well, let me show you this in practice. So the first thing you want to do is craft your persona, right? Now for this step, you come here and click on find the perfect persona. Once you clicked, now you can use LinkedIn profile that can serve as a very good reference, and AI will do the rest for you. You can even take a website as a reference, or I'll use that case. If you have no idea exact or you're not sure where to start, you can use this feature right here. Suggest me, I don't have an idea. Let's try this one, just for example, right? Now, of course, the more you know about your persona, the audience you're reaching for, the best results you have. For instance, I'm going to put marketing manager here. Now you see up there the number of prospects that match my persona so far, but you see there's so much details I can still put in. So let's try, for example, of course, put like marketing here. You can even determine the kind of company you're looking for, so how big it is according to the number of employees it has. As you can see, the system itself, the AI itself, already knows pretty much what I'm looking for, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. So once you've been through that part and it shows everything you wanted, you can now choose the outreach channels you want to work with. Now, email will be selected by default, and you can also work with LinkedIn channel, which is a very, very powerful one. You should also be able to see AI cold calling. Now, this is only an example, but you can also work with AI cold calling. Hit save, and there it is, your persona. If you want to activate this persona right here, just click activate. The offering, of course, will depend on what you previously determined to be your offer. In order to do that, you can easily go to my products, scroll down a little, and you're going to see offerings here. Hit add, and the AI will help you generate, or you can describe your offering. The AI will do the rest. Now, once your offering is ready and your persona is already set and created, it's time to train your AI agent to speak like you. Let me show you. So what you're going to do is hit configurations, messaging, and now we're going to teach our AI agent to communicate to speak like, let's say, me through LinkedIn. Now just select the persona you just created. I'm going to select the one I created with you. Here it is. Choose persona. Hit next. Now, of course, you got to choose the language you're going to work with. Then hit next. Now, this is very interesting. You got to choose what kind of tone of voice is going to be using. And of course, that all depends on the persona you're working with. If your persona is more serious or is more open, I'm going to choose friendly and conversational. Now here is where you're going to select the CTA, of course. That is the action you want your lead to do. In my case, I'm going to put schedule demo call. Then just choose how your signature should look. I'm going to go with the first one, hit next. Now here you can suggest how you want your message to look like. Now I'm going to use this just as a simple, straightforward example. You can, of course, personalize that if it's best for your business. Now, if you have a very important data you want to showcase or you want to base your speech on, like for example, the results you achieved for a previous partner you worked with, this is the time where you got to put that information to the AI to learn it and use it. Then hit next. And this is an example of how it would look like according to my persona, my offering, and all the input I just gave AI. Isn't that awesome? Now, once everything is working smoothly and your agent is already reaching out to people, all those messages will show up in the inbox. You can access right here, and you're going to see a lot of conversations here. Just click in one of them if you want to get the detail, but you're going to see all of them right here. Now, it's worth saying, we currently allow you to conduct your outreach campaigns through LinkedIn, AI-powered cold calling, which is amazing and really resembles a human being, and of course, emails. And talking about emails, with AnyBiz, you can count on our done-for-you deliverability system. We'll automatically warm up all of your domains, setting them up and ensuring your emails will actually reach the inbox, not the spam folder. This way, you get to focus on what really matters, driving results, closing deals, while we take care of all the details. However, sophistication is not limited to technology. It's in the way we guide you. Our customer success team partners with you to refine your strategy. This means working together on the fundamentals that matter most: your offering, your ideal persona, and the messaging that resonates. For new businesses, this guidance accelerates progress. For experienced teams, it sharpens performance. And this is AnyBiz, a platform that brings together advanced technology and a strategic insight. You now have the infrastructure needed to expand your reach, the intelligence to communicate with impact, and of course, the support to continuously improve. So get started today, or if you have any doubts left, book a call with our product specialist who will answer all of your questions. Our team is always here to help you unlock AnyBiz's full potential and elevate your business to the next level. Thank you so much.